നമസ്കാരം. ഇപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരുടെയും സംസാരം എന്താ? എന്റെ ദൈവമേ, പടച്ചോനെ, കർത്താവേ, ഈ പോക്ക് പോയാൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? സംഗതി വേറൊന്നുമല്ല, നമ്മുടെ സ്വർണം തന്നെ വിഷയം. വില പോകുന്ന പോക്കേ. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? നമുക്കൊന്ന് സ്വർണ്ണ പ്രശ്നം വെച്ച് നോക്കിയാലോ? ഫുൾ വീഡിയോ കാണുക.
Gold was around 540 rupees per 10 grams in 1975. Today it trades above 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams. How did we get here? And why does Indian gold now track global prices? Let's unpack 50 years in 5 minutes. Gold has always been more than just a metal. For centuries, it's been a symbol of wealth, trust, and security. In this video, we'll explore how gold prices have moved in India and around the world over the past 60 years, and what it means for the common man.
അടുത്തു വരുന്ന സീനുകളൊക്കെ ഒരു നിത്യസംഭവമല്ലേ? ഒന്ന് കണ്ടു നോക്കൂ. Over 50 years, each piece of that equation changed, and so did regulation and markets. In the 1960s and early 70s, gold prices in India were not linked to international markets. Instead, they were driven by local demand, restrictions on imports, and the cultural importance of gold in weddings and savings. At this time, India's prices often behaved independently of the global trend. From the 1970s through the 1980s, India's gold price often moved on local demand and controls, supply restrictions, smuggling, and seasonal demand, weddings, festivals. It wasn't a pure pass-through from the London or COMEX price. Globally, the 1970s were full of turbulence. The collapse of the Bretton Woods system and oil shocks caused gold to spike, reaching record highs in 1980. But in India, the effect was slower and less dramatic because imports were restricted and much of the gold trade flowed through unofficial channels. With the launch of bullion futures on the MCX and the arrival of gold ETFs, gold transformed into a true investment class. During this period, global financial crises and rising demand sent gold soaring. Between 2003 and 2012, Indian prices mirrored the global bull run, hitting levels once thought unimaginable.
In 2013, India faced a sharp current account deficit. To curb gold imports, the government raised duties and imposed restrictions. This temporarily distorted domestic gold prices, and for a while, India traded at a premium compared to global levels.
In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic created unprecedented uncertainty. Investors around the world rushed to gold, driving prices to new highs. Since then, inflation concerns, interest rate changes, and geopolitical tensions have kept gold on an upward trajectory. By 2024 and 2025, gold prices in India hit record levels, fully aligned with global trends.
അപ്പോൾ വില കൂടിയത് എങ്ങനെയെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? ബാക്കി ഭാഗം കൂടി കാണൂ.
So, what's the big picture? Over the past 60 years, India's gold story has shifted from local, demand-driven pricing to full integration with international markets. Today, when global prices move, India moves with them.
Finally, gold has stood the test of time through crises and reforms, through tradition and modern markets. And as history shows, it remains eternal. The prices may increase or fall, but the demand is always there irrespective of price hike. What you can do now? Try for alternate modes to beat the price increase. Gold is not only for ornaments, but also to be considered an asset or investment. Try to have a mixture of gold ornaments as well as digital type gold, for example gold ETF, gold bonds if you can do it. Buy 18 karat gold jewellery instead of 22K as price is going upward. Even 14K or 9K gold jewellery may come up later to beat the price. Gold price cannot be predicted, can be increased or can be a sudden fall based on international market conditions, and there is a financial risk always. Ensure safe custody of gold as thieves are watching every families.
സ്വർണ്ണ പ്രശ്നം അറിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? ഇനി നിങ്ങളാണ് തീരുമാനിക്കേണ്ടത്. ബുദ്ധിപൂർവ്വം തീരുമാനിക്കുക.